Hi, my name's Ed Shanshala. I'm the CEO of Ammonoosuc Community Health Services. At ACHS, we provide primary preventive health care. We do so that each of us can stay healthy. Why each of us stay healthy is a very personal and unique story. The following is a personal and unique story of one of our friends, families, or neighbors and why they stay healthy.
Lead is something that is present in our environment at all times. It's a naturally occurring element. It's when kids are exposed to it at higher levels that there is risk. The reason why we worry about people with homes that are older or renovations is because after homes that were built before 1978 or were around then had those products, there were laws passed and legislation passed that after that time that it's less likely. So before starting construction, I would make sure you talk with the contractor who you're going to contract with to make sure that they check for lead, the presence of lead in the home. I would definitely call the state and have them to check first if you're doing your own home renovations. But yes, things like masks and making sure that you're tarping, keeping the area that's being renovated blocked off and the kids can't go in there, and then doing a good job of, they have those sticky mats and different, washing your clothes, washing your hands, making sure the lead dust doesn't get into the other parts of the home where children can touch it and then eat it. If you're staying in, for instance, an Airbnb or someplace that is older, the same sort of thing, because you don't know when they last did renovation. Of course you could ask, but they may not know. The good news is that it's really lead poisoning and toxic lead levels happen from extended period of exposure over time. So staying at a place that is old and might have some lead dust for a couple days does not increase your child's risk exponentially, and I wouldn't worry as much about that. But it is, if you are concerned about it, those are some ways you can avoid it. You can also have lead exposure from different like parental employment. So if you're working in a place that deals with lead, you can bring that home on your clothing, or if you have hobbies that involve lead, so things like indoor gun ranges, that the lead can come home on the clothes as well. So the state works with you to find out where the exposure to the lead is happening and to decrease that exposure to lead.